Wala. Ibang Tubales. Tubales nagdadala ng bola. Pasto Cunyado. Cunyado, nagawa ng papasaan. Pasto Arroyo, bumomba. Wala. Kanya pa rin. Dito. Pasto Adralis. Adralis dribbling the ball. Dribbling the ball. Inaras ng Tubales. Adralis. Wala bola. Nakuha ni Tubales. Tubales. Tuminto. Tubales. Pasto Arroyo. Arroyo jump shot. Wala. Ibaw ni Tubales. Limare. 2 points. Loseno, dribbling the ball. Nagalit na pamasad. Pasto Riley. Riley dribbling the ball. No. Pimpis. Pasto Arroyo. Pasto Limare. Kumeke. Limare dribbling the ball. Limare puwersa. Foul. Who's foul red? Foul. 15. Ay. Limare, 2 shots para kay Limare. First throw para kay Limare. Second first throw. Second throw ni Limare. Papasok kaya. Limare, last throw. Ready jumpers. Okay. Ken, dribbling the ball. Nagmamadali. Ken, 2 points. Limare, pasok Arroyo. Arroyo dribbling the ball. Naagaw. Kanya pa din. Naagaw ni Adralis. Adralis. Pasok Riley. Riley, pinabas ang bola. Riley, pasok Cholo. Cholo, pasok. Ken. 2 points para Ken. 2 points. Tubales, pasok Cunyado. Cunyado, dribbling the ball. Cunyado, pasok Pimpis. 2 points, wala. Rebound ni Arroyo. Pass to Limare. Limare, backing down. Pass to Pimpis. Foul. Is foul red. Adralis. Foul si Adralis. Ganda nun. Veterans move.
Para hindi, kasa mo.
First free throw, Pimpis. Adralis sa walang bola, pasto Ken.
Sarap bigyan ng itong bomba niya ng Jenga. Oo, pakinili lang.
Hindi. Ano? Solo. Kumarap ka.
Pimpis, bakit daw? Inaagawan? Jump ball ang tawag ng referee. Yellow ball. Adralis, paspunde. Cunyado, hinaras ni Luceno. Cunyado, pas to Tubales, pas to Pimpis, wala. Rebound na Adralis, pas to Luceno. Tubales. to shoot. Tubale, pass to. Arroyo, pass to Hilpis. Hilpis, wala. Adralis.
Oras!
Punyado, nasa ibang bola. Punyado, sumalaksa. Wala, Adralis pa rin. Pagbo. Adralis. Tubale, sumalaksa. Reverse, wala. Rebound again, pasto. Pasto lang, pasto. Score natin 9-12 in favor of yellow team.
Sakto lang.
Score natin 25 in favor of yellow team. Pasto Cortez. Cortez with the ball. Cortez. Naghanap ng papasahan. Pasto Cornado. Pasto. Short. Cortez. Cortez. Dribbling the ball. Cortez. Cortez. Sumalaksa. Pasto. Pasto Leope. Leope dribbling the ball. Pasto. Cortez goal pass. Sial. Same ball ang tawag ng referee. Score po natin 49 in favor of yellow team. Cortez. Pasto Sial. Sial mag-isip. Tubir ang press. Wala. Kuha. Kuha. Kuha ni Valencia. Pasto. Cortez. Cortez. Dribbling the ball. Cortez. Pasto. Cortez. Cortez. Pasto. Wala. Oh, still in favor. Favor. Side side. 2 points for my game. Punyado, pasto Sial. Sial. Bang! Adral. Cortez dribbling the ball. Cortez. Jigs. Jigs cross over. Pasto Valencia. Valencia. Pasto Ken. Ken. Cortez. Cortez dribbling the ball. Cortez, 15 to shoot. Pass to Sial for 3. David, rebound ni David. David. David, sumalaksa. Wala. Nakakala ang play. Sial ang ball. Pass to Cortez. Cortez for 3. It's a prop. Bang! Score po natin. 15-18 in favor of yellow team. Jigs. Jigs dribbling the ball. Jigs. Jigs. 15 to shoot. Jigs. Pass to Adralis. Adralis. Pass to David. 2 points. 2 points. Wala. Rebound. Rebound. Rebound ni Jigs. Jigs. Easy lang daw. 14 to shoot. 10. Jigs. Pass to David. David. Backing down. David. Wala. Cortez. Cortez cross over. Cross over. Cortez. Pass to Leope. Wala. David. Rebound. Pass to Ken. Ken. Pass to Adralis. Adralis take. Pass to Ken. Pass to Adralis. Take it. No. Jigs is let down. 10 to shoot. Oras natin, 1 minute 13 seconds. Pass to Adralis. 5 to shoot. Pass to Valencia. Shot lang. Cortez dribbling the ball. Order. Cortez. Pass to Sian. 3 seconds. 1 minute, 8 seconds. Running time po yan. Valencia. Pass to Jigs. Jigs. Nagmamadali. Jigs. Pass to Astralis. 2 points. Last 50 seconds. Cunyado, dribbling the ball. Cunyado, supagkasa. Wala. Adralis rebound. Pass to Jigs. Jigs, wala. Rebound niya pa din. Jigs. 47 seconds. Jigs. Number, anong? 1. Ano? 7. Power 7. Eight seconds shot na Adralis. Nakautay 2 points. Adralis. For 36 seconds. Cunyado, dribbling the ball. Cunyado, pass to Cortez. Cortez. 32. Wala. Adralis. 32 seconds. Jigs. 2 points. Wala. Cunyado. Nagmamalapit. Pass to Cunyado. Cunyado, 2 points. 19 seconds. 17. 14. 13. 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Cortez, Cunyado. Cunyado, taking 2. Wala. Rebound ng Rice. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Kama 5 minutes, pass kayo.
Let's back to the ball game. Yellow ball. Anong bola? White ball po tayo. Score po natin. Cortez inbounding the ball. Pass to Tubale. Pass to Cortez. Intercept. David nagmamadali. Akin to. Para na natin. Score po natin. Bonus shot para kay David. Ready jumpers. Last throw para kay David. Last throw para tira. Tubali, pass to Cortez. Cortez, dribbling the ball. Cortez, crossover. Cortez, wala. Rebound. Sa itulong daw po tayo. Cortez, inbound. Pass to Impis. 2 points para kay Impis. Solo, pass to David. Pass to Ken. Push down, push. Ken, pass to Lucenio. Baby. Wala. Rebound dito pala. 2 pass to Cortez. Cortez crossover. Pagka. Baby. 2 points para kay Cortez. Solo, pass to David. David. Behind the ball. David. Screen. 2. Jump 2. Jump 2. Cortez. Pass to Tubale for 3. Wala. Rebound ni Ken. Ken. Pass to Rosenio. Pass to Ken. Pass to Riley. 2 points. 2 points para kay Riley. Score po natin. 21-31 in favor of yellow team. Cunyado, pass to Cortez. 2 points para kay Cortez. David, dribbling the ball. David. Pass to Ken, pass to Riley for 3. Wala. Rebound ni David. 10 to shoot. 9, 8. Foul. Cunyado, foul. Cunyado, malaki Cunyado. David. David, crossover. Behind the back pass. Para kay Jaime. Jaime, 2 points. Ayun, doon sa dito. Cortez. Cortez, dribbling the ball. Ano kayang gagawin? Cortez. Between the legs. Cortez. And to shoot. Pass to Tubale. Tubale for 2 points. Ken, dribbling the ball. Ken. Naghahanap ang pasahan. David, pass to Riley. Open for 3. Wala. Tubale, pass to Cortez. Cortez, Umagasa. Pass to Impis. 2 points. Score po natin, 33. 27 in favor of yellow team. David, dribbling the ball. David, pass to Ken. Ken to shoot. Ken crossover. Ken to the bola. Still by Ricardo. Still by Jaime. Out of the right goal. Running time yan. Limare, pass to Tubale. Pass to Cortez. Eke. Out of the yellow ball. Lucenio. Leading the ball. Pass to Riley for 3. Wala pa din. Limare rebound. Pass to Impis. Pass to Cortez. Cortez to 2. Wala. Rebound Impis. Reverse layup. 2 points. Ay Impis. David. Pass to Roque. Okay. Dribbling the ball. Crossover. Roque. 2 points. Wala. Rebound ni Cortez. Cortez Umagasa. Wala. Rebound ni David. David. Dire-diretso. Wala pa din. Still by Tubale. Bounce pass para rin. Wala na. Oras po natin. 5 minutes, 21 seconds. Ken. Ken, pass to Matakhan. Solo, pass to Lucenio for 2. Score natin, 35-29. Cortez dribbling the ball. Cortez looking for Cortez. 3 points. Jigs dribbling the ball. Jigs crossover. Pass to Valencia. Valencia, 10 to shoot. Cortez na skill ang bola. Cortez crossover. EJ. Counted. Basket para kay Cortez. Holy shot para kay Cortez. Score po natin. 34-35. Holy shot para kay Cortez. Pasok ang bonus shot ni Cortez. David, pass to Adralis. Adralis, dribbling the ball. Adralis, nag-use. David, pass to Giggs. Giggs, for 3, wala. Rebound. Jacob. Bilisan niyo po, running time yan. Oh, stop. Stop. Score po natin, 35-35 in favor of both teams. Valencia, inbounding, pass to sa inyo. Wala! Naibon ni Cuñado. Cuñado, nag-isip. Bounce pass para kay Clio. Kay Clio, pator to Trooper. Nabang labo ang white team. David. Turnover para kay David. White team, wala. Cuñado. Cuñado, dribbling the ball. Bounce pass para kay Sian Porti. No. Who's foul right? Valencia foul. Cortez inbounding. Pass to Arroyo for 2 points. Wala. Rebounding. Cortez. Reverse layup. 2 points. Para Cortez. Adralis dribbling the ball. Adralis screen. Pass to Jaime. Pass to Jaime Padel. Jaime. Foul. Who's foul right? Time out daw. Time out. Let's rock to the moment. 2 shots para kay Roseto. First go. First throw, pasok. Ang unang tira. Second throw ni Roseto. Second throw. Second throw ni Roseto. Pasok din. Score po natin, 39-37. Gian. Low. Jigs. For 2. Granis. For 2. Back. Score po natin, 40-42. Liope dribbling the ball. Liope again. Liope, kanya na yan. Wala ka din. Time to shoot. David. Adralis. Nastro, pasok. Pasok natin, 43-42 lang ang kapulit ang yellow team. Silan, pasok ni Lope. Tutol. Valencia, pass to Jigs. Jigs, dribbling the ball. 1 minute, 30 seconds lang to. Jigs, side step. Still Cuñado. Cortez, pass to Liope. 2 shooting runs. Jigs, dribbling the ball. Jigs, crossover. Jigs. Adralis, wala. Ibalik. White ball. 1 minute, last 1 minute. Cortez dribbling the ball. 53 seconds. Cortez, side step, dulo pass. 44 seconds. Valencia, pass to Jigs. 35 seconds. Jigs crossover, half step, pass to Luceno. Wala. Ibang Adralis, wala ko lang. foul. Penalty ulit. Last 22 seconds. Score po natin 43-46 in favor of our team. Unang tira ni Adralis, wala. Adralis, pangalawang tira. Wala, rebound ni Cunyado. Cunyado, basta crossover. Pass to Carolio, pass to Sian. Step back, wala. 10 seconds. 9 seconds. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Siyal, pasundan. Miguel, kumura, pesta! Pastor Adralis,
Dong, tuwa yun.
Solo. Dribbling the ball. Then cross over. Between the legs. Then pass to David. David cross over. David knocks out. Tupale. Pass to Impis. Intercepted by Ken. Nagmamadali. Ken. Wala pa din. Lucero, 2 points para kay Lucero. Tubale, pass to Cunyado. Cunyado, dribble the ball. Cunyado crossover. Pumito. Wala. Yellow ball. Score po natin, 45-48 in favor of our team. David, dribbling the ball. David, pass to Giggs. Taking 3. Low. Limare, dribbling the ball. Limare, pass to Tupale, 2 points. Wala. Rebound ni David. Easy na down. Ken dribbling the ball. Ken pass to David. David crossover. Grabe. Oras natin, 7 minutes, 45 seconds. Limare, pass to Tupale, pass to Sian. No. Ken, pass to Jaime, 2 points para kay Jaime, magic shot ni Jaime. Cunyado, dribbling the ball. Cunyado, pass to Sian, pass to Tupale. Limare, 3. No. Impis, pass to Tupale. Pass to Sian, 3. No. Jaime, wala. Jaime pa din. Jaime, pass to Ken. Ken, 2 points. Impis, wala. Cunyado. Foul. Oras natin. 6 minutes, 47 seconds. Score po natin, 51-52 in favor of yellow team. Ken, crossover. Between the legs. Ken. 2 points para kay Ken. Limare, dribbling the ball. Limare crossover. Limare, 10 seconds. Please, bounce the party. Army 2 by 6, 2 by 5, Luceno, leading the ball. Luceno must between the legs. Pass to James. Pass to Atralis. Bumangga. Wala. Bintis ang bola. Bintis. 5 minutes, 22 seconds. Limaro. Pass to foul. 5 minutes, 14 seconds. Foul. 25, foul. Atralis. Foul. Unang tira ni Turnado, pasok. 5 minutes, 14 seconds. Torres ako. After the free throw guys. Pangalawang tira, wala. Hindi na yung piece. Hit. Pass to Ken, 2 points. Sa break. Pasok ng papasok.